Hi, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the How To series. And today, on this little video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from your wallet to your bank account. You're going to go onto your app. You're going to log into your wallet, and then you're going to go to VertiGold. Please remember, all rewards are paid in gold, so it will be in your gold wallet. Then you're going to go there as a secondary security measure. You're going to log in with your PIN again. And then it's going to open up this page and you're going to click on exchange because we need to exchange it from gold to cash. And then from there, you can withdraw to your bank account. Then under there, you are going to choose the amount that you want to withdraw. It is easier to fill in the cash amount. You can put in 150,000, whatever it is, and then you're going to click on request a quote. It's going to open up the next page, and then you are going to click on accept, and that will then trigger the exchange. From there, you're going to go back to home, and then you're going to go to VertiCash. We have now transferred the amount that you wanted from your gold wallet into your cash wallet. On the cash wallet, you're going to click on transfer to bank. You're going to fill in the reference number and the amount that is there, and then you're going to click on confirm. And that is it. Short and sweet. So please make sure that the bank account details that you have entered when you registered or updated when you go into your app is correct. It will take approximately 12 to 24 hours. And if you have any challenges, please contact the Nantex WhatsApp support on 065 189 0171. And this is the beginning. So yes, there is certain charges to get it from the wallet, from the gold to the cash to your bank account. But ladies and gentlemen, there is fees in everywhere. So please join us on the YouTube channels. Come pop onto our live presentations to come and have a look. So welcome to Ananta X. Welcome to Gold Rewards.